Dear friends, this video is topic 4 of basic skill of wheel loader. Useful to construction professional and technicians working in construction and mining machines. We will discuss about F. Maximizing fuel efficiency and minimizing downtime. D. Planning and organizing work tasks. C. Time management and productivity techniques. D. Optimizing machine performance and cycle times. E. How to measure productivity. Now we will start presenting different topic. F. Maximizing fuel efficiency and minimizing downtime of wheel loader. Maximizing fuel efficiency and minimizing downtime are critical goals for optimizing the operation of a wheel loader. Here are strategies to achieve these objectives. 1. Operator training. Well-trained operators can significantly impact fuel efficiency and machine uptime. Provide thorough training on proper operating techniques, efficient driving, and maintenance procedures. 2. Efficient driving practices. Encourage operators to avoid sudden accelerations, abrupt stops, and unnecessary idling. Smooth driving reduces fuel consumption and wear on components. 3. Proper load management. Ensure operators understand load limits and proper load distribution. Overloading strains the engine, transmission, and other components, leading to increased fuel consumption and potential breakdowns. 4. Regular maintenance. Stick to a strict maintenance schedule. Well-maintained machines run more efficiently and experience fewer unexpected breakdowns, reducing downtime. 5. Fluid management. Keep all fluids, engine oil, hydraulic fluid, coolant, etc., at the proper levels and change them according to the manufacturer's recommendations. Clean fluids help maintain optimal performance. 6. Lubrication. Regularly grease and lubricate moving parts as recommended. Proper lubrication reduces friction, which leads to increased efficiency and longer component life. 7. Monitor tire pressure. Maintain proper tire inflation levels. Underinflated tires increase fuel consumption and wear, while overinflated tires reduce traction and can lead to premature failure. 8. Fuel quality. Ensure that you're using high-quality fuel to prevent fuel system issues and maintain optimal engine performance. 9. Smart route planning. Plan efficient travel routes to minimize unnecessary driving and idling. Proper planning reduces fuel consumption and extends machine life. 10. Telematics and data analysis. Utilize telematics systems to monitor machine performance, fuel consumption, and other relevant data. Analyze the data to identify trends and areas for improvement. 11. Preventive maintenance. Regularly inspect and service components prone to wear, such as filters, belts, hoses, and bearings. Addressing issues early prevents larger, costlier problems. 12. Cooling system maintenance. Keep the cooling system clean to prevent overheating. Clean radiators and cooling fins improve engine efficiency. 13. Operator behavior monitoring. Use telematics to monitor operator behavior, such as aggressive driving or excessive idling. Provide feedback to operators to encourage more fuel-efficient habits. 14. Fuel-efficient attachments. Choose attachments that are optimized for fuel efficiency. Using the right attachment for the job reduces the effort required and improves overall efficiency. 15. Efficient loading and unloading. Train operators to load and unload materials efficiently, minimizing cycle times and optimizing fuel usage. 16. Remote monitoring. Some telematics systems allow for remote monitoring and diagnostics. This can help address issues promptly, minimizing downtime. By implementing these strategies, you can achieve higher fuel efficiency and reduce downtime, leading to cost savings and improved overall performance of your wheel loader. B. Planning and organizing work tasks of wheel loader. Planning and organizing work tasks for a wheel loader involves careful consideration of various factors to ensure efficient and safe operations. Here's a step-by-step approach to planning and organizing work tasks for a wheel loader. 1. Understand the task. Clearly understand the task at hand. What materials need to be moved, loaded, unloaded, or transported? What are the specific requirements of the job? 2. Determine equipment and attachments. Identify the right equipment and attachments for the job. Choose the appropriate bucket size, forks, grapples, or other attachments based on the materials and tasks involved. 3. Assess site conditions. Evaluate the terrain, ground conditions, slopes, and obstacles at the worksite. This assessment helps in planning safe and efficient routes and movements. 4. Plan routes and movements. Plan the most efficient travel routes and movements for the wheel loader. Minimize unnecessary driving, sharp turns, and steep inclines. 5. Consider load and cycle times. Calculate the optimal load size and cycle times based on the loader's capacity and the distance to be covered. Strive to maximize loads while maintaining stability and safety. 6. Allocate resources. Determine the number of operators, loaders, and other equipment needed for the task. Ensure that all resources are available and ready for the job. 7. Prioritize safety. Prioritize safety at all times. Identify potential hazards and implement safety measures, including proper signaling, barricades, and protective gear. 8. Communicate with team. Communicate the plan to the entire team, including operators, supervisors, and ground personnel. Ensure everyone understands their roles and responsibilities. 9. Pre-operational checks. Conduct thorough pre-operational checks on the wheel loader before starting work. Ensure that the machine is in good condition and ready for operation. 10. Work execution. Execute the planned tasks according to the established routes and movements. Monitor progress and adjust the plan if necessary. 11. Load and unload efficiently. Focus on efficient loading and unloading techniques to minimize cycle times. Use the right bucket positioning and tilting angles to maximize material handling. 12. Monitor fuel consumption. Keep an eye on fuel consumption and make adjustments to improve fuel efficiency as needed. 13. Communicate with operators. Maintain communication with operators throughout the task. Provide instructions, address any issues, and ensure that the work is proceeding smoothly. 14. Address challenges promptly. If any issues or challenges arise, address them promptly to avoid disruptions and delays. 15. Document work progress. Keep records of work tasks, load sizes, cycle times, fuel consumption, and any incidents. This data can be useful for analysis and improvement. 16. Post-task inspection. After completing the task, inspect the wheel loader for any signs of wear, damage, or needed maintenance. 17. Evaluate performance. Evaluate the efficiency of the task by comparing planned versus actual performance. Identify areas for improvement and apply lessons learned to future tasks. Effective planning and organization of work tasks for a wheel loader contribute to increased efficiency, reduced downtime, improved safety, and better overall productivity. Regularly review and refine your planning process based on feedback and evolving project requirements. C. Time management and productivity techniques of wheel loader. Effective time management and productivity techniques for a wheel loader operator can significantly enhance efficiency, reduce downtime, and maximize output. Here are some techniques to consider. 1. Prioritize tasks. Start your shift by identifying the most critical tasks that need to be accomplished. Prioritize based on urgency and importance. 2. Plan and schedule. Create a daily plan and schedule for your tasks. Allocate time slots for each task, including pre-operational checks, loading/unloading, and maintenance. 3. Set goals. Set specific goals for each task, such as completing a certain number of cycles within a given time frame. 4. Use checklists. Use checklists for pre-operational checks, maintenance tasks, and other routine activities. Checklists help ensure that you don't miss any essential steps. 5. Avoid multitasking. Focus on one task at a time to ensure better concentration and quality. Multitasking can lead to errors and reduced efficiency. 6. Efficient startup. Streamline your startup routine by having a standardized process for pre-operational checks and cabin setup. 7. Optimal route planning. Plan travel routes that minimize distance and time spent driving between loading/unloading points. Avoid unnecessary detours. 8. Minimize idle time. Avoid leaving the engine running when the wheel loader is not in use. Excessive idling wastes fuel and contributes to wear. 9. Smooth movements. Operate the wheel loader smoothly and steadily. Avoid abrupt movements and jerks, which can cause inefficiency and increase material spillage. 10. Consistent speed. Maintain a consistent and appropriate speed while operating the machine. This prevents excessive fuel consumption and wear on components. 11. Precise loading and unloading. Focus on precise loading and unloading techniques to minimize cycle times and reduce the chance of material spillage. 12. Effective bucket use. Optimize bucket use by positioning it correctly for each task. Ensure you're filling the bucket efficiently without overloading it. 13. Regular maintenance checks. Perform routine checks during breaks to inspect fluid levels, tire pressure, and other essential systems. Catching issues early prevents unexpected downtime. 14. Time your breaks. Take regular breaks to rest and recharge, but time them strategically to avoid disrupting workflow. Use breaks to conduct quick visual inspections. 15. Continuous learning. Stay updated on the latest techniques, technology, and best practices related to wheel loader operation. Continuous learning improves your efficiency. 16. Monitor performance. Use onboard technology or monitoring systems to track performance metrics such as cycle times, fuel consumption, and productivity. 17. Collaboration and communication. Coordinate with other team members and communicate effectively to ensure seamless operations and task coordination. 18. Reflect and improve. At the end of your shift, reflect on what went well and what could be improved. Use these insights to refine your time management and productivity strategies. By implementing these techniques, you can optimize time management, increase productivity, and contribute to a more efficient and effective operation of the wheel loader. D. Optimizing machine performance and cycle times of wheel loader. Optimizing machine performance and cycle times of a wheel loader involves a combination of efficient operating techniques, proper maintenance, and strategic planning. Here are strategies to help you achieve faster cycle times and better overall performance. 1. Efficient loading techniques. Master the art of loading efficiently. Approach the material pile at an angle, penetrate smoothly, and fill the bucket evenly without overloading. 2. Proper bucket positioning. Position the bucket correctly for each task. Keep it low while traveling, and use the tilt function to control material flow during dumping. 3. Minimize empty trips. Plan your movements to minimize empty trips. Whenever possible, have a full load while moving between loading and dumping points. 4. Smooth movements. Operate the wheel loader smoothly and avoid jerky movements. Smooth actions improve stability, reduce spillage, and save time. 5. Precise unloading. When unloading, tilt the bucket gradually to prevent sudden material release and optimize dumping. 6. Optimal bucket size and type. Choose the right bucket size and type for the specific task. Using an appropriately sized bucket can improve cycle times. 7. Plan routes strategically. Plan travel routes to minimize unnecessary driving and maximize the number of loading/unloading cycles within a given time frame. 8. Avoid overloading. Respect the machine's load capacity to avoid overloading. Overloading reduces stability and increases cycle times. 9. Smooth turns and maneuvers. Make turns and maneuvers smoothly to prevent excessive tire wear and strain on the chassis. 10. Use attachments wisely. Utilize attachments efficiently. Choose the right attachment for the job and learn the best techniques for using it. 11. Operator skill and training. Provide operators with comprehensive training to ensure they use the machine efficiently and effectively. 12. Routine maintenance. Follow a regular maintenance schedule to ensure the wheel loader operates at its best. Well-maintained machines perform more efficiently. 13. Fluid checks and changes. Maintain proper fluid levels and change fluids according to the manufacturer's recommendations. Clean fluids contribute to optimal performance. 14. Tire maintenance. Keep tires properly inflated and monitor their condition. Properly maintained tires improve traction and efficiency. 15. Monitor fuel consumption. Monitor fuel consumption closely. Efficient fuel use directly affects cycle times and operating costs. 16. Analyze data. Utilize telematics and data analysis to track machine performance metrics. Analyzing this data can help identify areas for improvement. 17. Continuous improvement. Continuously strive to improve efficiency through training, feedback, and adopting new techniques or technologies. By combining these strategies and focusing on efficient operating techniques, maintenance, and strategic planning, you can optimize machine performance and cycle times for your wheel loader, leading to increased productivity and cost savings. E. How to measure productivity of wheel loader. Measuring the productivity of a wheel loader involves tracking key performance indicators, KPIs, that reflect its efficiency and output. Here are several KPIs and methods to measure the productivity of a wheel loader. 1. Cycle time. Measure the time it takes for the wheel loader to complete a full loading cycle, including approaching the pile, loading, transporting, dumping, and returning. Shorter cycle times indicate higher productivity. 2. Load count per hour. Count the number of loads the wheel loader completes in an hour. This metric directly reflects the machine's output within a specific time frame. 3. Material moved per hour. Measure the volume or weight of material the wheel loader moves in an hour. This metric helps quantify the actual work accomplished. 4. Fuel consumption per task. Calculate the amount of fuel used for specific tasks, such as loading and transporting materials. Lower fuel consumption for the same task indicates improved efficiency. 5. Tonnage moved per liter of fuel. Determine how much material is moved for each unit of fuel consumed. This KPI highlights the machine's fuel efficiency relative to its output. 6. Payload efficiency. Compare the weight of material carried to the machine's rated payload capacity. Higher payload efficiency indicates better utilization of the machine's capacity. 7. Utilization rate. Track the percentage of time the machine is actively engaged in productive work compared to its total available time. Higher utilization rates indicate effective scheduling and operation. 8. Idle time percentage. Measure the percentage of time the machine is idling or not actively engaged in productive work. Lower idle time percentages indicate more efficient operation. 9. Maintenance downtime. Record the amount of time the wheel loader is out of service due to maintenance and repairs. Lower maintenance downtime contributes to higher productivity. 10. Operator efficiency. Assess the efficiency of operators by comparing their performance against established benchmarks. Skilled operators typically achieve higher productivity. 11. Material loss and spillage. Measure the amount of material lost or spilled during loading, transporting, and dumping. Lower material loss indicates better loading techniques and efficiency. 12. Loading accuracy. Measure how accurately the operator loads the bucket to the target weight or volume. Accurate loading reduces the need for rehandling materials. 13. Distance traveled. Track the distance the wheel loader travels during a specific period. Minimizing unnecessary travel helps increase productivity. 14. Telematics and data analysis. Utilize telematics systems to gather real-time data on machine performance, fuel consumption, and cycle times. Analyze this data to assess productivity trends. 15. Output per unit of time. Measure the total material moved within a specific time frame, such as an hour or a shift. This helps gauge the machine's overall efficiency. 16. Work completed per shift. Calculate the total work completed, including loading, transporting, and dumping, at the end of a shift. This provides an overview of the wheel loader's productivity. By monitoring these KPIs and regularly analyzing the data, you can accurately assess the productivity of your wheel loader. Identifying areas for improvement based on these measurements can lead to more efficient operations and better overall performance. Friends, we have explained in brief about best practices for efficiency and productivity of wheel loader. We request all to mention your view and requirement in comments section of YouTube video. Also like and share to your friend. Also subscribe our YouTube channel Infomechanizer. This is 100% free.